old blown 1.8 liter, new almost ready to go 1.9 liter. Just put the transmission on. We're going to get the intake manifold on, connect everything, and then exhaust manifold, which we're gonna have to cut off of this because the bolts are completely stripped. So we're gonna take an angle grinder and zip them off. And then we're taking this whole piece, putting it on here. We're gonna throw this whole thing in here tonight, slap the intake manifold on, connect all the wiring, and she'll almost be ready. So that's a little update for you guys just on how the motor swap's going.